Holy shit. Wow. Hey. I don't know where he got me hooked. I think I see the hook. You got him. What a cold day. First fish of the day. That's a thick pike, thick schooly pike. I'm gonna get him back in the water pretty quick because it's really cold. Look at that. Nice fish. Get him back. Yeah. Nice. Let's go. Back here again. You can tell the weather shifted now, so hopefully get some fish, some nice ones. All we need is this size today. Just need 2 fish, but just nice fish. Using small live bait. Now this is when live bait really comes in handy in tough conditions like this. So I'm gonna keep fishing and see if I get anything else. I don't know what we have. I think it's another one. Yes, it is. I think he's a little bigger. Oh man, I hope he got. Wow, he got engulfed. Yes, we got him back to back. Ooh, I don't know what happened to his gill there. I didn't do that. Same size pike. Get him in. A big fish on. Really big fish. Oh my God, another one. Holy shit balls. Oh, please don't break off. Holy shit. This guy barely hit it. Oh my God. Oh my God, wow, he's big. Whoa. Whoa. We got hooked, oh my God. Look at that thing. Whoa. That's how you get them, guys. Small swim baits. Might be shitty out, but the big fish like it when it's shitty out. That's a nice fish. Big friggin' pike. Let me get him back in the water. Big friggin' monster pike. Let's get him back in, guys. 3 pike back to back. Holy shit, man. Wow. I can't believe that. And this, what I'm telling you guys, don't let the weather hesitate you, to go out. You'd be shocked what you can catch. Seems like the perch are in here now. This must be a bigger one. Yep. Yeah, that's a nice one there. A little bit bigger. That's how you get them. Ooh. Oh. Yeah, I thought he was definitely bigger than that. Okay, these are nice perch, but the ones we were getting before, though, I never thought they were gonna be. I thought that was gonna be a bigger fish. He just fought pretty good. And this guy hit it really good. Wow, that's like a jumbo. Yeah, it is. This is the biggest one of the day so far for perch, not the fish, but perch. Yeah, that's a nice one there. Just probably a perch.
Isn't that funny, right at dark? Well, not dark, but you know what I mean.
Yep. Oh yeah. Just lost one before this one.
Some jumbos.
Hell yeah. That's all I catch is jumbos. There he is. He wants to go back in. There he is. I just saw a perch jump. This perch just jumped out of the water. Man, they fight good this time of the year. Just like how they do in spring. There we go, a nice one. Not giant ones, say, but still good sized perch. There we go, a nice one. There we go, a little bit bigger one now. There we go. Temperature is dropping. This is a little nicer one. Oh yeah. Yeah, about the same size. Yep, nice perch. Really nice perch. Really nice perch. There we are, back to back. Here's how far. They seem like they're bumping out a little bit now. Ooh, that's a really nice one. Oh, nice jumbo perch. My hands are slowly, they're freaking slowly they're stopping working. I'm like, I can't even talk. I can't even use them soon. Oh my God. Let's go this way. I'm going this way now. Wow. 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 My hands are barely working. And they get him on hook, guys. Nice freaking pike to end the day off. Nice. Another big pike. Look at that. It's hard to see, I know, but look at that friggin' thing. Another big beauty of a pike. Really nice pike. Get him back in. Great fish, great day to end the, great way to end the day off. This monster pike. That's what I'm talking about. There he goes. I just want to show you. Nice. My hands are not working now. I had to warm my truck up. Oh man, what a day. All right, guys, what a great day that was. Catching those big pike like that, that was insane. That was great. Catching those pike in the beginning or back to back to back. I never done that before. That's awesome. I mean, that's crazy. Especially those two nice ones too. That last pike and the third pike. The third pike was definitely a little bit bigger, but the last one was a really nice pike too. But again, using small swim baits, that's what you want to use. Fabulous day with the pike. It was a great day, and a great day with the perch too. But pike fishing, oh, that was awesome. That's how you get the pike though. That's really all year too. I do go with the pike, but you know how it is. Sometimes you use bigger lures towards like the spring, later spring and stuff. But I generally like using finesse baits all year. But anyways, guys, great day of fishing. I mean, it was excellent. I mean, that's what I mean. You think you would have thought today, well, if you saw the day, it looked like a shitty day. It was like snowing in the beginning a little bit, like light flurries, windy, but they're there and they want that small bait. But anyways, great day of pike fishing. But hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later, guys.